Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. Got some good clips here today, some of them being really recent. We got one of Marine got her chiropractor fixing her body in 3D, and this just recently happened too.
Hi, honey.
It's like 6 hours, like as of the recording of this happened.
マリさん頑張ってください。
頑張ります。
Oh
で、
man.
何これで、何だったのこれ
Is it me or do chiropractors scare me? I don't think I could do it myself.
先生お尻は勘弁してください。
I don't want to be the one to point it out, but the way her hand is all the way up here and her model is all the way down here.
お尻はやめてください。お尻はやめてください。お尻はやめて。
Something tells me her butt is actually that huge then.
まあ。
It's just an observation though, boys. I'm just making an observation.
背中。
よいしょ。で、
助けて。
Help me! Stop!
助けて。
I feel like ever since I got the new chair, my posture has been a lot better. You don't see me leaning too far to the left anymore like I used to.
助けて。持ってかれる。
But watching this makes me feel like I should go get my back pop now.
取れる。ガンダの。
Oh my god, this girl is flexible.
マリさん大丈夫ですか？
Are you feeling okay? No, you are hurting me.
I don't know.
Oh man. The death noises to the laugh? It confuses me. Ooh. If I ever go to a chiropractor, I am not letting him touch my neck. I pop my own neck, and that's okay enough for me. I am not letting anyone else pop my neck.
そっちから見て。
That crunch. Oh my god, can we get another crunch sound?
力抜いてから。そっちから見て。
Man. Ooh. I don't know, guys. Has anyone gotten their neck popped by a chiropractor? Because I know it's not like technically real medical science, right? It's technically not. So I don't know, it's scary. It's scary to me. I will let them pop my back from my shoulder down, but they are not touching my neck. No way. Crony ready to fight chat for insulting maple syrup. What? I love maple syrup.
I like
Talking about
maple
ice cream, gotcha.
walnut,
And they insulted this? This is one of the best flavors. This is right below mint chocolate chip. Like I love mint chocolate chip. This is right below it for me.
like Neapolitan, and I like vanilla.
Vanilla's great.
and
Goated.
I like strawberry.
Not a big strawberry
I like
fan.
chocolate.
Chocolate's goated. Dark
That's a
chocolate
lie, 'cause
is
nobody likes
goated.
maple. Well, okay.
Yeah, hold on.
Like,
Wait
you
a second.
obviously never had maple.
Yeah, have you never had fucking walnut maple syrup? Are you fucking joking? I'm insulted. That is like god tier. You say that shit in the South, you're gone. They're kicking you out of the States.
I bet you use.
I
table
dare you to
syrup
say that
instead of using
around
maple
here in
syrup.
Timbuktu.
You're so disappointing.
I'm Mexican and I love walnut.
So disappointed in you. I've only had real maple syrup once.
It's goated.
Why?
Yeah.
Why won't you use maple syrup? Like, sure, okay, maple syrup isn't cheap. I'm saying, like, that's true. But you're just gonna buy it once, and that maple syrup, you're not gonna be able to use it within a month.
You could buy a bottle of maple syrup and it lasts you like 3 months. If you're using that much maple syrup, I have questions.
It's going to take forever unless you make pancakes every
Yeah,
single
who the
day,
fuck is
which
making
not going to
pancakes every day?
happen. Like, one decent sized maple syrup is going to last you 2 years.
Okay, 2 years is
The
a lot.
real maple syrup is really good. I know. Bro, there's no maple trees down here. You can... I'm not
Walmart?
saying tap the tree
Target?
for actual maple syrup. Like, I don't need
Costco?
you to do it yourself. I need you to go get it. Man, they don't sell them. Well, that's because you haven't been looking around carefully, because they definitely send it out to other
They
countries.
100% do.
Should definitely be imported.
Yeah, it is. It's
Yeah,
imported.
northern states absolutely do have maple syrup. Okay, well, you know, what about the other states?
Okay, I'm in the
other states
South. Yeah,
definitely
we
have maple syrup.
yeah, we
How can they
do.
not have maple
We do.
syrup? Think about it. Doesn't make sense.
It
You
literally
can
says from
send it
Canada
out,
on the bottle.
but they're too expensive here. Really? Like, how expensive are we talking about? Because, like, it's only like $10.
Damn, $10? $10, shit. Where I'm at, a bottle of real maple syrup, like $6.99, $7.99,
$10 to $15.
and that's for a big
for
bottle.
like a decent size maple syrup. $10 for syrup. Yeah, I mean, yeah. With $10, you can feed yourself with $10 too. 10 is too much. Well, like in Canadian, so that's basically $5 in
Monopoly
American.
money.
Guys, I'm always
I always, I had a Canadian friend, and whenever we talked on Discord and he gave us his pricing on stuff, I always like made fun of him, and he was like, he would say like, "Oh man, this video game is like $89," and I'm like, "Bro, it's like 60 American." And he's like, "Do you forget I'm from Canada?" I'm like, "Oh yeah, I forgot. Like we use real money down here. We use
I'm
real
always
money in
saying,
America."
You know, $10, and it's always
I
gonna
always
be
make
in
fun of him
Canadian.
for that.
And when it's Canadian, just think of that in US at like
Mhm.
half the price. I'm kidding. You know, for example, if it's like $20 in Canadian, it's probably
Yeah.
$15 or $14.
Yeah, rule of
It's
thumb,
not that
subtract
bad.
like about 40%, 30 to 40%. I would say it's about a 20, anywhere between 20 to 40%, depending on like the time of year and what's going on and etc. I think the one good thing about having like internet friends, right? And don't let anyone tell you guys internet friends aren't real friends. The one good thing about having internet friends is that you'll slowly realize the differences between price and currency, and then you start to do it in your head, and you're just like, oh, okay. If it's this much for me, it's gonna be this much for my friend. Canada shows her feet during stream. What are y'all making her do? I swear this girl has just been Canada has been the biggest meme after her 3D concert. Everyone's just been memeing this girl, and I love it.
福袋の種類に A、B でなんか分かれてたんだけど、彼女は普通に特に何も見ずに買いました。そしたら皆さん、開けていきたいと。
She's gonna open it right now. I love how the model is pre-recorded too.
はい、まず一番ちっちゃいやつから。見て。かわいい。
Oh,
かわいい。
yeah, those socks look comfortable.
靴下です。ピンクの靴下かわいい。しかもな、めっちゃ
She's just a girl, boys. Pink fluffy socks.
ちょっと着てみようかな。お靴だけ履いてみよう。待って。見る？ちょっと怖いけれども。
It's a bit scary, but I will show you my
足の
feet.
状態。見ていいの？ちょっと待って。そしたらちょっともう一回箱人間になります。はい、箱人間に戻りました。こうして。イエーイ！イエーイ！こんにちは！イエーイ！カズです！
That's cute.
最後までこんにちは！
She needs to pull it up a little bit higher. A little too big, unless her feet are just
めっ
small.
ちゃ可愛いんだけど、めっちゃモコモコなんだけど、これお前らもさ、ぜひとも着ていただきたい。これ肌触りがやばいぞ。皆さん、プラネが今この図を作るためにどういう体勢になっているか。
We don't need to know.
例えば自分のテーブルの上に足を
Don't tell the
当ててるんです
fans.
よ。やばすぎる。では、ちょっとね、お見せしたかったのでね。はい、ジェラピケの靴下でございました。イエーイ。
Yeah, this is the posture I figured she was doing. Like either this or like the chair was like even further back. So yeah, this is what you could expect. Where this girl, I swear, Canada is just nothing but a big meme. I swear she is. Kyla announced she'll never be a mother.
Basket household, like be like Kyla as mother, Cici as oldest daughter, Gigi as a middle daughter, Bijou as youngest daughter. No, I will never be a mother.
Okay. Fair.
Because I cannot handle child.
Fair. Just don't want kids, don't have any. Fair. It is not for everyone.
With a child, I yeet.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry.
Yes, the basketball meme.
Oh, what a shot from Curry.
I cannot. You never know how bad I'm handling children. I don't have the patience for that, guys. It's like,
Who has the patience for children? I'm trying to grind Minecraft. I'm trying to sit here and build my netherite beacon. I ain't got no time for a child.
adios. If people wants me to be like a big sis for everyone, maybe I can. You want me to be the mom that taking care of the children?
Yeah,
If I was a
yeah.
kid, I would stay away from
Being
you.
a sister is less responsibility.
You're a big child yourself. I'm always the youngest, so I don't know how to handle, like, you know, I don't even know how to handle like the children actually.
Fair.
But if you want me to teach them something, like, okay, if you ask me to be like the teacher, maybe I can. But
Yeah.
at least I know what to do, or
Yeah,
what
but
am
then
I
you ask to
teaching.
raise, then it's different.
But if you ask me to like handle and like babysit, wow.
Yeah, that child's gone.
Wow. Wow.
Understandable. Respectable even. At least she admits it, right? Don't leave your kids with people who don't want to babysit. It's that simple. Chat realized Crony and Gigi's age gap and start feeling old. What? We're old now?
I guess we could.
I thought I was 27 young.
Magnet, right?
The fakest
I
laugh.
don't get it.
Because you're
I
old.
don't understand.
Back in my day, I keep up with the TikToks and the Twitter. W Riz?
W
Deja.
Riz.
Okay,
What
okay,
is
okay.
W Riz? What does W Riz mean in your
Yeah,
book?
what does it mean?
Harassment.
Oh, true.
Always have Crossy Road!
Oh, okay,
Crossy
that's
Road.
Not good.
Crossy Road! It's just like Crossy Road. If I was a duck, I would be crossing that road even faster.
Crossing roads?
Crossing roads?
That's
crossing fields?
That's no.
Lisa
No.
song?
No.
No.
Sword Art Online.
No.
You will dude, I don't care what the allegations are. You will never get me to watch Sword Art Online. Never, ever, ever.
No, but god damn it, I forgot. Oh yeah. So crossing roads, yes. I almost say crossing fields. That's a mobile game, right?
Is it?
Wasn't
what
it?
do you do?
Crossy roads?
You
Yeah,
you just said it yourself.
yeah, you
I
cross
thought you
the
knew better
road.
than me.
Oh, Crossy Road?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, it's a game where you might not know this. Here's where I'm gonna shock you. It's like it's a big wow factor.
Yeah.
In Crossy Roads,
You-
Are a chicken.
Yes,
and
yes.
You are crossing roads.
Whoa.
You know, back in my days, we
What?
didn't play this thing called Crossy Roads or Crossing Roads or whatever it was. It was Frogger.
Oh, what else did you do?
The PS1 Frogger was probably the best one. Don't get me wrong, I like the original one where it's just look down and cross the road. But the PS1 Frogger, goated.
Back
It was
in
the
your
best
day?
one.
Frogger.
And what else did you do back in your day?
Frogger.
Frogger. We knew nothing else.
Excuse me?
Okay, wait.
No, elaborate.
No. Is Poggers old? Would you guys consider Pogger? I still say Pog sometimes. I still sometimes say
Wait, why did you
Poggers.
say that all of a sudden? We were talking about Frogger. Why are you suddenly saying PogChamp? No, I'm curious.
A non sequitur, you know.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Poggers.
Well, you see, back in my day, you would say not only would you frog champ, but you would also pog champ back in the days.
Were you born in the 2010s or something?
Whoa, 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 whoa. PogChamp is When was PogChamp? Is it in the 2010s? Oh God, am I old?
Back in my days.
Am I old, boys? Is PogChamp not cool anymore? I still like PogChamp. I remember in high school. I remember in high school people were saying PogChamp. Well, that's the end of the episode. I know. We went through a lot. Vanilla, Crony, PogChamping. Kind of went through a lot in this episode. It was kind of all over the place. But if you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. And yeah, always remember to be a good person. That's the major one, is always remember to be a good person. Bye.